Your design problems? Maybe history.
Did you make a new friend in the Hong Kong Planning Commission?
Better. I found a climate engineer. Knows all about materials, thermodynamics. Your dream come true.
Can I call you back? Great.
You must be Bob.
And I'm guessing Elliot. Catherine said you'd be stopping by. Welcome. I have no idea what Catherine's thinking, dropping somebody onto my team like this. She usually checks in with me.
We're done here?
No, let's move on to the, Yeah, we're done here.
Catherine, would you mind filling Bob in on the government project we discussed?
Of course not.
I want your ideas, Bob, for the best people for that team. Catherine's been talking about Elliot. Gotta head off for now.
Hey.
What happened?
Elliot happened.